PMU has never been this painless. Get ready to numb with IceCream. I'm Tina Davies, the creator of IceCream, a powerful 2-in-1 maximum strength numbing cream that you can use on the face or body on open and closed skin to keep your clients' brows, eyes, lips, and any other sensitive area numb for hours. Here's how to use it. IceCream is going to be your favorite anesthetic for the eyes. It has a neutral pH and can be safely used around the eyes. Before applying IceCream to the eyelids, clean the eyelids and eyelashes thoroughly with makeup remover or micellar water. Keep in mind that eyelash extensions should always be removed before the procedure. Next, carefully apply a thick layer with a cotton bud or microbrush, avoiding contact with the eyes. Pull the skin to keep it still. Let it sit on the eyes for 20 minutes. Remember, we do not occlude the eyes. After 20 minutes, gently remove with a cotton bud before designing. Also, I like to use a rinse to flush the eyes and refresh them. As you work, reapply IceCream as necessary and let it sit for 5 minutes to renumb. Be sure to keep saline solution close by for extra rinses. IceCream is an FDA-compliant formula developed with 5% lidocaine local anesthetic and 0.25% phenylephrine, a vasoconstrictor that reduces bleeding and swelling. The formula deeply penetrates the skin while keeping it moisturized and soft so it doesn't affect pigment deposit. The best part is no more hardening of the skin. Now that you know how to use it, go ahead and give IceCream a whirl and watch your client's pain melt away. I promise you'll love it. You'll cut down your procedure time and your clients will be so comfortable they will be falling asleep. Remember, this non-irritating formula is safe for all sensitive areas, including brows, eyes, lips, scars, areolas, and more. Treat your clients to IceCream today.